to change shipping address on Shop app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your shipping address on Shop app. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Shop application in your mobile device, or you can also use the web version in your mobile device as I'm using right now, because the process is quite similar. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you have logged in into your Shop account, just simply click on the profile icon located at the bottom menu. Just simply tap on it, and over here just simply tap on the settings icon from the given menu. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called addresses, because I haven't added any shipping address in my Shop app as of now. So just simply click on the drop down menu over here and just simply click on add address, and over here you can add your preferred shipping address in the Shop app as per your location. And you can also change your location while clicking on the first link, and just select the your current location, and after that just fill in your details like your first name, your last name, your company details, your address, apartment, city, and other details. And once you have filled your address details, just simply click on save address, and your address will be saved in the Shop app, and that particular address will be used as your shipping address whenever you make any purchase in the Shop app. And yeah, so that's how you will be able to change your shipping address on Shop app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.